In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep the highlighter on in Google Docs. Now, I know Google Docs doesn't have a built-in feature that lets the highlighter stay on after each use, and this can sometimes be a bit frustrating if you want to highlight multiple sections of text quickly. But no worries, I'm here to show you a simple workaround using the Paint Format tool. It's a really handy option that can help replicate the effect you're aiming for. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google. The next step is to click on the Google Apps icon, which you'll find in the upper right hand corner of your screen. You know, the one that looks like a little grid of squares. Once you've done that, you'll scroll through the list of handy tools available to you and select Docs. This will open up Google Docs, where you can either start a new document or choose one of your existing documents that you'd like to work on. Now, with your document open, direct your attention to the Paint Format tool. This is located in the toolbar and the icon looks like a little paint roller. Here's the trick: double click on that paint roller icon. By double clicking, you enable a feature where the format is locked onto your cursor, allowing you to apply it more than once. The next thing you'll do is select the text you want to highlight. Simply click and drag your cursor over the text and voila, your highlighting will be applied. And the beauty of using the Paint Format tool is that as long as it's activated, you can continue selecting new sections of text to highlight without having to reactivate it each time. Just keep selecting whatever additional words, sentences, or paragraphs that you want to emphasize. Once you're finished highlighting and no longer want the Paint Format tool to remain active, you'll want to disable it to avoid accidentally highlighting additional text. To do this, simply click the paint roller icon once more. This will deactivate the continuous highlighting mode and return your cursor to its normal function. And there you have it, a straightforward method to keep your highlighter on in Google Docs using the Paint Format tool. A quick recap: open your document, double click the paint roller to activate, highlight to your heart's content, and then just click the icon again when you're done. I hope you find this little tip helpful for your future projects. Thanks for tuning in and have fun highlighting in Google Docs.